The 555 timer Astable Monostable interactive calculator solves timing circuit calculations for both astable and monostable configurations. Let's explore the input fields. First, we have a drop-down menu called Select Calculation Mode with 6 options. Astable Mode Calculate Frequency from R1 R2C, Astable Mode Calculate R1 R2 from Frequency and Duty Cycle, Monostable Mode Calculate Pulse Width from RC, Monostable Mode Calculate RC from Pulse Width, Astable Mode Calculate Period and Times from Components, and Astable Mode Calculate Duty Cycle from R1 R2. For this demonstration, I'm using Astable Mode Calculate Frequency from R1 R2C. The input fields are R1 in ohms, R2 in ohms, and C in farads using scientific notation. Here's our worked example. I'll enter R1 equals 10,000 ohms, R2 equals 68,000 ohms, and C equals 0.00001 farads. After clicking Calculate, we get these results. Frequency is 0.9884 Hz. Period is 1011.78 milliseconds. High time is 540.54 milliseconds. Low time is 471.24 milliseconds. Duty cycle is 53.42%. This calculator streamlines 5x55 timer design calculations. Find the link in the description below.